Hello and welcome to my very first ever unboxing. So I was approached by this company, Diamond Art Club, and they asked me if I wanted to do some licensing with them. So after doing some research and checking around online, I was curious about what diamond art is and like how do you do it. So they seem like a really good company to work with, and so I'm happy to announce that I have several designs that I've licensed with them, and those will be rolling out throughout the year. So right now this first one is actually, they have 3 out right now, but this one here is called Night Garden, and it's based off an image of this little kitty that's like hanging out in the garden at night. I really like how they can translate your images into these diamond art paintings. And if you don't know what diamond art is, it's basically like paint by numbers, but you're using these like rhinestones, these little plastic rhinestones. They come in different shapes, so there's like a square and round, and for this kit I believe they're round shaped. So you can see there's a kit here. It comes with a sticker that you can use to stick somewhere, I guess, if you're going to store the kit. This is another large sticker here that has a chart with all the colors. It comes also with a diamond painting toolkit. This is my first time ever opening one of these. I've never done diamond painting before, so it's very new for me too. So the kit includes this plastic tray which you can hold the diamonds in. These are like wax which you can use with this tool, and this tool is basically for picking up the diamonds and sticking them onto the diamond map that they give you. So it's on a canvas, nice thick quality canvas, and it has the artwork on the bottom and a little chart on the canvas. And so it's all printed out with these. I'll show it to you in the next screen, but it comes with these little charts of where to put the colors, instructions, and then these are the diamonds, the little rhinestones. So you can see it's all gridded out, so everything's by code, by number or symbol, and then you have to match those symbols with the appropriate color. This kit has a lot of colors, 34 colors. So, and this is, for my artwork, it's kind of tamed as far as the colors that I use. So some of the images that I'm licensing with them are a lot more complicated, so I'm curious to see how many colors they end up using. So each of the colors are labeled, as you can see here. So just go through all the colors here. They just go by number, so there's not really any names to them. And apparently some of these colors have like a shimmering, pearlescent effect on some of them, but they're pretty shiny. They look good. This is actually one of the pearlescent ones. See all the, and I was watching a few YouTube videos. Here's another pearlescent one, and a lot of people are just know the color by number. I guess they've been doing diamond painting for quite a while. So go through another set. So there's 2 sets of colors here, and then what you have to do is you have to open all these up, and they give you baggies that you can put them in and label them. Actually, when we were opening this up, we spilled one of the bags on the floor, and they just were everywhere. So big mess. So hopefully I have enough colors to finish this kit. We're excited to work on this kit. So the colors look really good. They really did a really great job at matching the colors. I think the quality of them looks really, really good. I mean, I'm actually pretty impressed at how many colors they were able to use too. There's a lot of subtlety in the tones and values. So you can see here's kind kind of how the kit works. You just add the diamonds to this little tray, and the tool, you dip it in this wax so it will pick them up. And this tool actually has another tip on it on the other side, which you can pick up like 5 or 6 at a time. So if you have big areas that you want to work on. So you can see, just pick it up, and the material, the canvas, it's already sticky, so it has like this glue on it. So you don't even have to really press hard, you just kind of touch it and they go on really nicely. So that's it. That's the Night Garden Diamond Art Kit. Check it out in my description if you want to get one of these kits, and look out for more in the future. That's all for now.